Shalom. This message concerns the Tangkhul Naga terrorists. So back in the middle of March, the Naga terrorists burnt down Chahsat village in Manipur. And I belong to the Israelite tribe of Ephraim. And those are my Manasseh brothers that you came against. This is a sheer act of violent terrorism. You're not real Christians, you're make-believers. So this is my message to you Naga, Tangkhul Naga. The Torah says in Exodus chapter 22 verse 6, if a fire break out and catch in thorns so that the stacks of grain or the standing grain or the field be consumed therewith, he that kindled the fire, he that caused the fire, shall surely make restitution. So, according to the Bible, the Tangkhul Naga terrorists are obligated to make restitution for the damage that they caused. The specific act of arson is the punishment, the penalty is the minimal penalty is they have to restore what damage they caused. They make restitution. So, yeah, again, this passage is from Exodus chapter 22, verse 6. And it deals with unintentional arson, but intentional arson, the penalty is even more severe. So you guys not only have to restore what was lost, but you have to restore that and more. So if a thief steals a sheep or an ox, he restores 4 to 5 times more than what he stole. So you guys shouldn't just make restitution, break even. You need to pay about 4 to 5 times more than the damage that you caused. That's biblical interpretation. So, the Tangkhul Naga terrorists, according to the Bible, you need to repent, number 1. You need to apologize for whom you wronged. You need to apologize to them and their families. And you need to overcompensate, make restitution for the damage that you caused. So, overcompensation means you restore even and more so. So again, that's repent, apologize, ask for forgiveness, and make restitution, overcompensation for the damage that you've done. So again, that damage, that restoration entails more than what their properties were worth, because you destroyed not only their property but also their livelihood. Some people, you destroyed their livelihood. So you did that to the Kuki Chahsat people. This was terrorism. It was wrong. It's unacceptable. You must repent. So repent of this wickedness in the name of Yeshua, that your souls might be healed and restored back to Elohim, to God. Otherwise, if you don't repent, then all of your prayers are in vain. And Elohim, God, He will not hear your prayers. He will not hear your prayers. So you must repent of this act of terrorism. Thank you for hearing. Thank you have ears to hear. I pray that you would. In the name of Yeshua. Thank you. Amen.